Hello everybody. Welcome to Madhu's English Academy. English is easy. You have logged into the word wall section, and in this section daily you will be learning a new word, its pronunciation, meaning and usage. So what is the word which is going to decorate the wall today? Are you eager to know it? Friends, today's word is solitary. Come on, pronounce with me. Solitary. It is solitary. Yes, you pronounced it correct. The meaning of solitary is existing alone, single, or only. Shall we use it in a sentence? Cats are solitary creatures. The prisoner was kept solitary. Now, try to use this word solitary in your own sentence. Don't forget to like this video and to share it with your friends. Thank you.